can hear everything. Like,
Yeah.
from here.
Alright.
Yeah. Okay, wait. And it's not, it's because my iPad is like broken. Like the camera's in it.
Oh, baby. Alright.
Okay.
Damn, bro.
Wait, I have to put
Alright, I can see you. I guess, yeah. Alright. You're gonna have to go a little slow, because your
Okay.
Wi-Fi is pretty bad.
Bro, what is it, bro? Like, I don't know if I'm gonna get mad or not.
Show me the package.
Do I have to have clean hands?
Hmm?
Do I have to have clean hands?
No. You don't need clean hands.
Shit. Okay. I already got the package dirty.
That looks small.
Do I open it now?
I
Can I open
mean,
it?
yeah, open it. But like, put me farther back so I can see everything. Like, set me up for like a unboxing.
Wait. Wait, the package is good. This.
Oh, that's better.
Now it's like, why?
That's a lot better.
Wait.
Nah, it's fine. Baby,
Okay, so I can see it.
just sit back and
Okay.
you'll look normal. Alright.
Wait, I cannot open it.
What? One thing at a time. No, your video just cut out. You're lying. Okay,
Wait, I can't see it.
never mind. You're good. Bro, it's so laggy,
Okay,
bro.
you can
But it's
see
okay.
it.
Okay.
You can see it. Can I take that out?
Yeah, take it out. Take that out first.
Okay.
Okay. Leave everything else in there, bro, for now. I don't know what that is, I'm not gonna lie.
Is it a perfume?
Oh, now open it. Wait. Fuck, I
Yes.
just realized I might have made a mistake. Nah,
What?
open it. It's
What?
fine.
What is it?
Open it. No, wait.
Okay.
Open it. Yeah.
Okay.
Nah, open it.
Okay.
That's not it.
Bro,
The hell?
wait. What is it? What is it? Bro, I'm trying not to be loud. Wait, how do you open it?
Figure it out.
It spins.
Mm.
Bro, this is mad cute, bro.
Open
Wait,
it. Did you open
wait,
it?
there's something inside. It
Yeah.
fell. It fell.
What you
At the
mean?
bottom.
Get it.
Oh, it's a necklace?
Yeah.
Wait. Bro! Wait, did you pick what to write or did it come like this?
Both. Like,
Wait, bro. Wait, like you chose the wording, right?
there were options, but like I didn't get to I didn't write that, but I chose that. Like, yeah, I guess in a way,
Oh,
yeah. What?
bro, I could kiss you right now. I could kiss you right now. Bro, what the fuck? Bro, I'm trying not to be loud, bro. Oh, baby, this is so cute.
Yeah, I know you were like, yeah,
Bro,
the necklace is supposed to be in the air, bro. Like when you flip it over.
bro, it's okay. It's okay, bro. Look how
And trust
pretty it
me, I
is.
looked for a
This is
gold
the
one,
only.
but
Bro, baby, I don't care, bro. This is the only silver thing I'll ever wear, so it's special. It's special.
it is special.
Oh, I love you. Why'd you do that? Why?
That's one thing. I love you more.
Oh, oh, god damn it, bro. Like, why are you too, like, this is way too much, bro.
No, it's not.
This is way too much. Wait, I'm not gonna put it on. I'm gonna do it because my mom wants to see.
Okay, okay.
My
Bro,
mom
she's gonna.
is gonna want to see.
Oh, fuck.
Bro, she's gonna stop being mad at us because of this,
She knows.
probably.
I told her.
She knew what it was. She knew what it was.
No. I didn't tell her the order, but I did tell her I was doing
Yeah,
this.
yeah. She wanted me to open it with her and go record it. I'm like, fuck.
Bro.
I'm opening it with my baby.
A las 6.
I love you, bro.
I love you.
Damn. Oh, baby. Why are you doing all this, bro?
Bro,
I
it
never
was.
get shit like this. Okay.
That was just something nice, bro.
Why?
It wasn't.
Why?
It was just something nice.
Baby, I
I love you, babe.
love you. Baby, I love you.
No, I'm glad you like it.
Baby. Okay. Let me see. I'm getting the shirt, bro, because I'm curious. If I get the shirt, is that last?
I mean,
Is that last?
I don't mind. The order doesn't
Bro,
matter.
it's about to be some dumb shit. Is it gonna be some? Is it gonna be like I heart my boyfriend's fat ass or some shit? Wait,
I wish.
hold on. The other thing fell out, but I'm not looking.
Take the other thing. Whatever fell out.
Two, two things just fell out. Bro, I called it, bro. I called it. What is it?
uh,
Wait,
nah, bro. I literally just got
bro,
that
I
just as
thought
a
I was
joke.
gonna say that.
Like, I wonder what your mom's gonna say to that.
Bro, this is so.
Bro, I know, bro. I know. You don't need to wear it. I just want to see what you would do.
Bro, I thought I was gonna say something worse, bro. I can't even lie.
Bro, I
I'll
wish,
actually wear
bro.
this though.
Trust me, bro. I tried to get a crop top one, but like that was the closest thing I could get.
Like this is a crop top,
Oh, I mean like a
bro.
whatever.
Now I don't gotta say it. Like I'm so lazy. Like now I don't even have to say it. Like just read the shirt. I'm just gonna be like,
You should cross off please. You should like take a sharpie and just like X off the please.
oh yeah.
No asking, no
Oh
asking.
baby.
No. Alright, next one, bro. That was just a joke. The next two are actually.
Bracelet.
Oh yeah. Oh, I forgot I got that.
Is it for me?
Yeah, it is.
Is
So
it
you
for
need to give me that.
me? What if I don't? What if I don't give it?
I'll take
Nobody
it
gets
from
to
you.
me. Mm, maybe. Wait, let me read it. Mm, my baby's a little simp.
Of course. No shame.
The white stone is colored during the day, symbolizes promise. The same stone lights turned into the sky. Am I taking a pink one? You have the white one?
Yeah,
Baby, I love you. Bro, and you got a pink box. You got pink.
of course.
Like, you know me too well. Okay, the last one, the last one. I scared the shit out of me. Okay, ready? Bro, I literally lost mine yesterday, bro.
No, baby, I know.
Bro, I love you. Like, I dead lost it yesterday, bro. I didn't use it this morning. Bro, baby, I love you, bro.
I love you, baby.
I love you so much. Wait.
You have nails, bro.
Oh, yeah, you're right. Not even this working. Leave
Bro,
me alone.
you're really trying to get into that.
Oh my god. I love you so much. And they're all of them, bro. This is like Christmas all over again, bro. I swear.
Bro, just wait till my paycheck.
Can you open? Baby, shut up. This is too much already.
Literally got this shit with spare change,
This
bro.
is way too little, baby. Oh my god, why can't you see it in real life, bro? Like, it looks so beautiful. Oh my goodness.
No,
This is the one I'm gonna be using every day. I'm gonna be using this one every day. That one. These ones that I want to do a little something something. Bro, baby, I love you, bro.
I love you, baby. Enjoy.
Bro, bro, I love you.
You seem nervous.
Stop. Stop, bro. You should see my little feet right now, bro. They're like swinging back and forth.
I know they are.
Baby, I love you.
I love you.
Bro, I love you, bro.
Now go run. Show your mom.
This shit, we're going right here.
Oh, baby.
We're so right here.
I'm glad you like it, babe. That's all that matters. Go show your mom.
Okay. My grandma's gonna yell at me for this shirt. I gotta put on my sweater.
Oh, if only she saw how you dress.
Alright, I'm gonna hide you, but you're gonna hear everything.
Okay, okay. Hide me, hide me.
God damn it, why is it so hard to hide you, bro? Dang it. Bro, I'm gonna feel so hurt right now. Bro. Oh my god. My man loves me. Bro, I never got anything like this from Garrett, bro. Anyways. Bro, Bob. Bob. Why? Too bad, too sad, I don't care. Bro, mom. Were they real guns? No, they weren't. Bro, were they your friends? Oh, I thought they were your friends. That's why I didn't care. Oh, yeah, look. Matching bracelet. He got me this. All of them? Bro. Uh, bro, bro. I'm a. She said. cross out the please.
Mira lo que me mandaron los kids. He got her this bracelet, sparkly things for her eyes.
And wait, look at this.
Are you gonna wear it? Are you gonna wear it?
Yeah, let's do this. Wait. Oh. And it has writing on it.
And what says? It says, I love you.
It's from that song. Well, that's what I think it's
And
from.
it's silver. Are you gonna die?
No, because it's special, because it's the only silver thing.
Show me, it's so cute. Stop, this one I wanted to get Mom for Mother's Day.
My cute. It's my man. Man, love me.
You're not a gold all. This is gold all.
Bro, I don't care what color it is. I could be freaking like turd brown, and I don't care, bro. My man loves me. Huh? My eyes look. You're so good. It's for my eyes.
Baby, you should have left the dishes.
Oh my goodness, just give it to me. I have to be nice to Mateus. Where? Where is he? He's right there. Wow. Ah, no, don't do that, Rosito.
¿Sí?
Baby. 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 Baby, I love you.
I love you, baby.
Baby, I love you so much. I love you so much. But nah, what's it called? Bro, today I was crying because like I wanted to like go ask people for a card.
Bro.